Thanks for joining me today. Today we are going to work on Braceo, that's our upper body, and we are going to dance to a song by Kiki Morente, Fandangos de Huelva, and that is a 6 count. It's in 6s. So we're going to just keep our arms rounded, our chest open, and our abs in. And if you want to continue your practice with me, I encourage you to check out all my free resources in the description below, including a 10-day free trial to my Online Flamenco Studio, which is a monthly membership that has plans and practices and courses step-by-step from very new beginners all the way through advanced levels in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. And there's a vibrant, vibrant community as well. So let's begin. Chest open, abs in, arms rounded. In, out, in, out, arms out, in, out, and up, out, up, out, up, out, and up, again, out, up, and in, keep it in, out. Okay, and in. Again, and up. Up. And switch. Up. And in. Out. Switch. In. Okay, and up. In, down, and open. Open up that chest, and elbows down, up, and down, and open, and down, up, side, and in with the hands, up, and down, and up, and other side, and just go out with the hands. And come back up. Open. hope you enjoyed that simple practice of opening up the chest and moving it around with that upper body and braceo to this wonderful piece of music. If you want to continue your studies with me, I encourage you to join me in my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a monthly membership and it has over 80 courses for new beginners all the way through advanced dancers in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory, so you can speak, feel, and dance flamenco. And we also have monthly challenges, workouts, and there has a very vibrant community. So be sure to click for your free trial, and I will see you next time. Bye.